about nails, like these artificial nails. So a long time ago, I used to think that women who spend on nails, like women who do their nails, like the waste money. Like I used to be like, "Iyo pesa, that money that they're using, why don't they give it to me? I do something that is valuable." I used to think it's just a waste. It's just a waste of money. Like that's how I thought. Have you been thinking the same way? Yeah, have you been thinking the same way now? Let me tell you guys. Oh, have I introduced myself? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alice Amy, and if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. I love you guys for free. You know what? I just love you guys. Yes. So our topic, as per the title of this video, let me just take a rewind. I used to think that women who do their nails, they really waste a lot of money. Until this one time when my sister-in-law, she did beauty, she did beauty cosmetics and so on, makeup, nails, massage, yeah, that course. Yeah, so I remember when one day she did my nails, and then she added those extra, those long nails. Let me tell you, I have always been like this. I'm always comfortable. Evie, I'm always comfortable here. And the day she did my nails, okay, one thing I felt uncomfortable because there are things I could not do, but I have always seen other women do, like eating ugali, like eating using hands. That is one of the struggles I had. Putting a hearing. That is one of the struggles I had. Cleaning myself down here. That is one of the struggles I had. But there is this one thing I noticed when I had nails. Okay, some even up to now, I think I can do nails, but not the long ones. If I'm doing nails that are like are this size, these are okay. Yes, yeah. So until this one time when she did my nails, let me tell you, oh my god, there is this kind of confidence that I gained that I never had. Little did I know that women who do their nails, like having nails on doing nails, it somehow helps a woman build their confidence to put their hands out there. Like, look at my nails. Okay, they're clean in and out, but there are people who can't maintain their nails easy, whereby maybe inside here you find they're dirty. You see, yeah. So the day she did my nails, oh my god, there is this kind of confidence I wore. Like every time I could, in a matatu, on a desk, on a anywhere I was, I could be. I used to be like I want everyone to see I have nails. Like I could easily put my hand even where it's not supposed to be. Okay, yeah. So let me tell you, I think it's very important for you to do. If it's not very important, but it's something that you can also try out if you are in my line, if we are in the same WhatsApp group. I think it's something you need to try out, and you'll have to share your feedback about it. I mean, go out there, try to do your nails, and come back and tell me. Okay, if you can't do those long nails like me, try to do easy those small ones. I want to try again and do nails, but you see those long ones. I really okay. From that time, I really love it when I see a woman having nails. But personally, I think I can't do them because I really feel uncomfortable, and sometimes they don't even stay longer. Yes, and then also removing them is a problem. Removing them, I still have to go to the salon. To the salon. Women. Anyway, tell me, what is your take about nails? When you have nails, how do you feel when you have those nails? Like, how do you feel? Let's have a conversation in the comment section if you are um someone who does nails, and if you don't do nails, give me your reasons why you don't do nails. Don't talk about money, because I have seen women who don't even earn that much uh taking care of their nails, and those earning, or those I have seen women who don't even earn that much taking care of their nails, and those having money not taking care of their nails also. Do you think it's really important for us to do nails as women? And besides what I've mentioned, what other thing do you think helps or makes women do their nails? Yeah, because kuna there are people who can't, like, they can't they cannot even walk outside there, not unless they have they have made their nails. So let's have a conversation in the comment section. Tell me, how do you feel about it? Tell me, does it also build a little confidence on you as a woman when you're walking out there, when you seated close to people? Does it also make you feel like, eh? Like, yeah? Yeah. Okay, that was it for this video. I hope it has been helpful to you, and see you in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. If you're a new subscriber, do not forget, please don't forget. Yes. And also, you can leave a comment. Give me your reasons. If you're a man, tell me, would you have a woman who have nails, and at what length? There are some nails that I normally look at and I'm like, whoa, because it's really also important to be clean down here. But Ibu, tell me, let's have that conversation about nails, and I want to know your say about it. Yes, I really want to know what do you think about it. Yeah, so that was it for this video. It has been me, Alice Amy, and see you in the next video.